Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the concluding part, the remaining part of Geography Lesson 3 Water Resources. Okay. One skill based question is there in page number 30. Okay. In the ancient India, along with the sophisticated hydraulic structures, there existed extraordinary tradition of water harvesting. Explain. Maybe of 3 marks question. First point you have to explain. In hills and mountainous regions, people built divergent channels like the Guls and the Kuls of the western Himalayas for agriculture. Second point, in the floodplains of Bengal, people developed inundation channels to irrigate their fields. Third point, in the arid and semi-arid regions of agricultural fields were converted into rain-fed storage structures that allowed the water to stand and moisten the soil like the khadins in Jaisalmer, Johats in the parts of Rajasthan. Question 2. Explain briefly about the process of rooftop rainwater harvesting. Again, it will be of 3 marks. Points you will write it from the figure 3.54 given in page 30. Rooftop rainwater is collected by using a PVC pipe, filtered using sand and bricks. Underground pipe takes the water to the sump for immediate usage. Excess water from the sump is taken to the well. Point number E, water from the well is recharges the underground. Okay. Then take water from the well later on. Question number 3. Explain briefly about tankas. 3 marks question. The tankas could be as big as a room. One household in Faladi had a tank that was 6.1 meter deep, 4.27 meter long, and 2.44 meter wide. They were built inside the main house, or the courtyard were connected to the sloping roofs of the houses through a pipe. Point number C. Rainwater falling on the rooftop would travel down the pipe and stored in these underground tankas. The first spell of the rain was usually not collected, as this would clean the roofs and the pipes. Question 4. What is Palar Pani? 1 mark question. It is the purest form of natural water, that is rainwater. Question 5. Which city has the common practice of rainwater harvesting and why? Shillong in Meghalaya, first part answer. Second part, due to the shortage of water in that area. Question 6. Name the perennial canal of Rajasthan. It is Indira Gandhi Canal. Question 7. Name a village of South India rich in rainwater harvesting. It is Gendathur near Mysuru in Karnataka. Question 8. How many households are collecting rainwater in this village? It is nearly 200 households. Question 9. What is the annual precipitation received in Gendathur? That is 1000 millimeter. Question 10. How much water is collected in Gendathur? In each household, the net, that is whole village. Each household it is 50,000 liters, and in the whole village it is 1 lakh liters. 50,000 into 200, that is 1 lakh liter. Question 11. Which is the first state in India made rainwater harvesting compulsory? It is Tamil Nadu. The next question, what is bamboo drip irrigation system? 1 mark question. It is the process of supply of rainwater from the rain sufficient area to the rain deficit areas with the help of bamboos drop by drop. It is mainly practiced in Meghalaya. In this way, the textual part of your chapter is been completed, and please go through the map of this chapter. Okay, the dams you have to practice, that is from page number 28. It has been shown in your assignment also. First dam you have to mark, that is Salal Dam in Jammu and Kashmir. Second you have to mark Bhakra Nangal Dam. Okay, second it is Tehri Dam, sorry. Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. Third it is there Bhakra Nangal Dam in Punjab. Then fourth, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam in Rajasthan. Fifth, it is Rihand Dam, eastern side of Uttar Pradesh. It is Rihand in Uttar Pradesh. Then you have to mark sixth, Tungabhadra Dam in Karnataka, Meteor Dam in Karnataka. Then sixth is Tungabhadra, seventh is Meteor. Eighth is Periyar Dam in Kerala. Ninth is Nagarjun Sagar Dam in Andhra Pradesh. 10th is Hirakud Dam in Odisha. 11th is Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat. So this map questions, these will be coming in your periodic test also, class test also, and the map questions of lesson number 2 and this lesson water resources, that is lesson number 3, it will come in your board exam also. So kindly practice these maps. Okay, these maps are very compulsory, and on 20th of June you will have the test, online test, MCQ questions of lesson number 2, 20th June, that is Saturday. So kindly be prepared for that test. Okay, thank you.